Hey everyone, today I want to share with you the September kit from Your Creative Studio. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is sold out, but the funny thing is that I actually subscribed for the October box. I kind of wanted to test the water with some of these kind of more stationary type of boxes. I do enjoy receiving happy mail. And I also really like it when someone just, curates the whole thing for me and I don't have to spend too much time on a website just like collecting stuff. So I actually ordered the October box, and then the owner, I think it's the owner of this shop, contacted me and asked if I would do an unboxing of the September box. And I said I'm happy to do that because it was something I was already interested in, and so I will be getting the October box, which I did pay for full price, but this was sent to me. And then I saw someone else do an unboxing on YouTube, and I did a happy little dance because this one is Alice in Wonderland themed. So I hate showing things that are not available anymore, but yeah, I did want to share with you because I think it's a really fun collection of stuff. So I'll show you what comes in the box. And yeah, I'll take it away now so you're surprised as well as I am, because I didn't watch the whole unboxing because I wanted to be surprised myself. So we're starting with a sticker sheet. I will link you to the shop. It's not an affiliate link, so I don't, make anything if you follow the link in order. But as I said, the reason I was happy to show you also the September box is because I was interested in this all on my own without anyone, approaching me or asking me. So yeah, it's stickers. They look beautiful, and they are on this kind of a washi type of material, so it's a little bit, you can see it has a little bit of a transparency. It looks beautiful, beautiful quality. Moving on, what is this? I don't know. Let's take a look. So, ooh, washi. So this is like a thin washi, very cute. Next, okay, I'm kind of I don't know what to grab first because it all looks so cute. So these look like stickers in this kind of flake type of design. So beautiful. This is kind of like retro style, but this is the kind of retro that I like. It's not too grungy and dark. And I think if you pair it with a lot of like light and bright colors, you can still keep that. I guess this could be more of like a shabby chic type of thing as opposed to, really deep grungy style. So these are lovely. Moving on, or I can leave them here for some decoration. This, I have no idea what this is. Oh, so much fun. The packaging of everything is also beautiful, which I can appreciate. And I think when things look inviting, it is, it makes you want to get into it. And all of this stuff is making me think I should do an Alice in Wonderland themed traveler's notebook insert. So this has like the kind of like a matchbox type of opening, which is super cute. And wow, there's a lot here. So these are all tags in different shapes, and these would be super cute for a traveler's notebook. Yes, I know I'm like a broken record. I'm completely obsessed with traveler's notebooks. What can I say? I admit it. And everything I look and I see, I think, how can I stick it in my traveler's notebook? So these are really, really sturdy. And I'm not going to show you all of them because then the video will be way too long. But they have these beautiful kind of vintage botanical, bird plant type of illustrations. Really lovely. And then these are, here we're getting to a bit more of that kind of darker vintagey style, but these are still so pretty that I can tolerate it. I'm joking, just because if you follow this channel, you know I'm all about the bright colors. So this is quite dark and brown for me, but I could still see myself using these tucked away in something lighter and brighter. But they're very cute. And I think perfect for junk journaling. So I'm not gonna torture you with watching how I put this back in. Moving on, what are you? This is washi and it looks really pretty. I can open it. Very pretty. So we have these designs. Yeah, I think you can see on the screen. And there. That's where it starts repeating. So really lovely. I've been very into washi lately, using a lot of it. Let me know if you want to see like a process video of doing Alice in Wonderland Traveler's Notebook. Insert, I want to say. What is this? Record your life special day. Oh, very cute. So this is like a notepad. Is that the word? Notebook. 30 sheets. Well, you know, it's like a pad. So you can detach these. And these are really cute. They would look great in a traveler's notebook. Insert. Okay, there are stamps, which I'm very excited about. So these are little washi flakes. I love these. What I love about the flakes, first of all, you don't have to rip it like you do with washi. And if you're like me, I always rip my washi if it has like, you know, separate images. I always rip it into one of the images. So I can appreciate having just the flakes. And what's nice about these is when you stick them to something, they really look like it's part of whatever it is you stuck them on. And I mean, these are kind of dark, so it's not going to show, but let's see how. I really, really love the finish of washi stickers. So because this is kind of dark, you can still see the edges, but actually on camera, I think you can see what I mean, that it really just kind of blends into whatever it is you have underneath, especially if it's white or lighter, then it just looks like it's printed on the page. And I love that. It doesn't look like a sticker. It looks more like an organic piece. So there are all these cute, teeny, tiny, toony elements. And there's a lot of them here. Okay, let's put it like this. Then we have, there's a lot of stuff here. Then we have these, it says 20 sheets. I'm guessing that it's 20 stickers. They have the gold foil detail. Very cute. Some clocks, some butterflies. And oh, what else? What else? Okay, we have a few papers. So, you know, I also find that if you kind of mix, again, I'm going to, if you know my style, you probably know that this is like darker and more vintagey and more muted than what I usually go for. But I really find that if you combine these, like sprinkle them through other things that might be more your style, it all comes together. So these are nice. It's like not super heavy and not really, really thin. I think they have a nice weight. You guessed it, they're gonna be great in a traveler's notebook insert. And they have these lovely patterns. We have, what are you? I love the cover of this. Okay, it's another notepad. It's really cool. Fantasy Chapter Party. note for memo, 30 sheets. These are cool because they're kind of retro style. So it has 2 areas, and then here it's perforated. So you could take this apart. These are lovely. I really like them. I think they look, this is the kind of vintage that I really enjoy because it looks vintagey. I'm guessing that it's not. I'm guessing that it's new, but it looks vintagey, but it doesn't look too vintagey. It's just the right amount for me. And here we have, I think these are more washi stickers. I love washi stickers. It's like such an easy way to decorate, I feel. So there are a gazillion here, tons and tons of these beautiful florals. I'm not going to show you everything, but there's a lot here. Let's see, maybe we can have, yeah, there are all the patterns. Lovely. That's cute. These are beautiful. So how many are there here? It says here maybe 30. Feels like more. I don't know. And then last but not least, we have the stamps. I think I definitely need to do an Alice in Wonderland insert. I actually plan on doing some pages of it in my Disney insert that I've been working on very diligently, I must say. But I think it would be fun to do a completely separate one. So it comes in this really cute tin, which you can repurpose if you don't want to just keep your stamps in here. And oh, they're so cute. So we have one Alice, we have the Cheshire Cat, and we have, I guess, the King. The King of Hearts. Where is the Queen? We want the Queen. It could be a queen with a mustache. And then this one with a little speech bubble. Very cute. And I love Alice in Wonderland. It's one of my favorite, well, Disney movies, but I also read the books, I must say. So, yay me. Because there are some classics that I admit I've only seen the movie, and I'm not going to tell you which. Anyway, I will link you to the website. Check it out. I think you can still sign up for the October box, which I don't know what's in it, but I hope this will give you an idea of what you get. And I'm really going to enjoy playing around with these. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.